Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi di sini bersama saya Rizky. Di sini kita akan mengerjakan lab implement BGP path manipulation. Nah, objektifnya di sini ada 3 part. Part pertama yaitu build the network and configure basic device setting and interface addressing. Lalu part 2 configure and verify multiple protocol BGP on all router. Part 3 yaitu configure and verify BGP path manipulation setting on all router. Lalu background or scenario, the default setting is BGP allow for a great deal of undesired route information to pass between autonomous system. In this lab, you will configure multiple protocol BGP and implement various path manipulation option for both IPv4 and IPv6. Request resource-nya 3 router, 1 PC, console cable, Ethernet, and serial cable. Lalu kita masuk ke part 1, build the network and configure basic device setting and interface addressing. Step 1 kita akan buat topologinya. Kita seperti biasa menggunakan siswa modeling lab. Agar memudahkan kita split layar. Itu 3 router. Router 1, router 1, router 2, router 3. Oke, kita ganti namanya. Router 1, router 2, router 3. Oke. Kita hubungkan kabelnya ETH-Link ETH0 ke ETH0, ETH01 ke ETH0, lalu serial portnya 1010, serial satunya serial 1/1, ETH-Link. Oke. Kita jalankan start. Kita tunggu. Oke, kita lanjut. Nah, di sini sudah nyala, kita buka konsolnya. R1, R2, R3. Oke, kita naikkan. Oke, open konsol. Kita mulai dari R1. Enable. Configure terminal. Hostname-nya kita ubah. R1. Hostname R1. Lalu no IP domain lookup. Line console 0, exit timeout. Pakai C. Typo oke, exit timeout, logging synchronous. Lalu banner method. Banner methodnya oke, lalu IPv6 unicast routing. Lalu interface-nya kita berikan IP in interface E0/0. Kita masukkan addressnya no shutdown untuk menyimpan. Exit. Lalu interface S1/0 IP address 10.1.1.255.255.255.0 31. Oke, lalu address IP fisiknya sebentar. Address link dat 012 1. Address oke. Error. Ya, kita lanjut. Maesa cek sebentar. Oke, di sini sudah save lagi. Kita hapus dulu IP yang sebelumnya masih masuk tadi, kesalahan. Lalu kita masukkan IP yang baru. Oke, kita lanjut. Isi dulu, lalu interface serial 1/1 IP-nya IP address 10.1.1.255.255.255.254 255.251.28 lalu address V6-nya lalu kita buat interface loopback. Sini ada dua interface loopback 0 dan 1. Kita lanjut ke router 2. Hampir sama seperti konfigur di router 1. Namun di sini kita hanya menggunakan interface G00 yang terhubung ke router 1 dan interface Ethernet 0/1 yang terhubung ke router 3. Lalu juga ada tambahan interface loopback 0 dan 1. Masuk, enable, konfigur terminal, hostname R1, R2, lalu no IP domain lookup, line console 0, exit, timeout, 00 logging synchronous, lalu banner metodenya IPv6 unicast routing, IP address 10.1.2.255.255.255.0. Oh, interface dulu. Interface Ethernet 0/0. Lalu kita masukkan IP address-nya. Lalu IP address IPv6-nya. IPv6-nya. Lalu interface E0/1. IP address 10.2.3.2. MAC address-nya 255.255.255.0. Lalu address IPv6-nya Sultan. Lalu interface loopback 0 dan 1. IP address 192.168.2.1, addressnya 255.255.255.224. IPv6 dan interface loopback satunya. Kita masuk ke router 3. Enable configure terminal. Hostname R3. No IP domain lookup. Line console. All exit timeout 00. Logging synchronous. Banner metodenya lalu IPv6 unicast routing. Interface Ethernet 0/0. IP address 10.2.3.3. Addressnya 255.255.255.0. Lalu IPv6-nya lalu interface serial 1/0. IP address-nya 10.1.3.3. Lalu IPv6-nya serial interface serial 1/1. IP address-nya lalu ada interface loopback juga. Oke, kita lanjut. Kita masuk part 2, configure and vary multiple protocol BGP on all router. In part 2, you will configure and vary multiple protocol BGP on all router to achieve full connectivity between the router. The next below provide you with the complete configuration for R1. You will use thesis to inform your configuration of R2 and R3. The configuration being used here is not meant to represent best parties, but to assign your ability to complete the required configuration. On R1, create the core BGP configuration. Masuk ke R1, router BGP, IP 6500, lalu BGP router ID 1.1.1.1 no BGP default IP v4 unicast networknya 10.1.2.2 remote asnya 500, lalu network 10.1.3.3 remote S-nya 300. Lalu yang terakhir network IP 10.1.3.130 remote S-nya 300. Oke, lalu yang IPv6-nya lalu kita masuk ke on R1 configure the IPv4 unicast address family. Kita masuk address family IPv4 unicast networknya 192.168.1.0 MAC addressnya 255.255.255.224. Lalu networknya yang satunya 192.168.1.64 MAC addressnya 255.192. Lalu kita deactive the IPv6 network and active the IPv4 networknya. IPv6-nya dimatikan, deaktif. Neighbor 10.1.2.2 aktif, 10.3.3 130 aktif. Oke, lalu on R1 configure the IPv6 unicast address family. exit dulu. Address family, IP, v6, unicast, networknya. Oke, lalu kita aktif the IPv6 neighbor, the are configured for BGP-nya. Tiga. Oke, lalu kita perpet configure you did in this previous step. Oke, kita lanjut. Di sini kita verify MP BGP in operational. User the show BGP IPv4 unicast summary and show BGP IPv6 unicast summary. Command to verify the BGP has established their IPv4 and IPv6 agency and receive for perfect from Earth neighbor. Kita end dulu, lalu kita cek. So BGP IPv4 unicast summary, enter. Oke, as numbernya send prefixnya ini berbeda. Oke, hampir sama. Lalu kita cek so BGP IPv6 nya. Oke, sudah berhasil. Lalu kita lanjut user the show BGP IPv4 unicast and show BGP IPv6 unicast command to view the specific BGP table. Kita masuk show BGP IPv4 unicast begin network. Enter. 92.168.1.0/27 92.168.1.64/26 92.168.2.0/77 nya. Oke, 500 ke 3.3. Oke, lalu so IPv6 nya kita cek juga. Oke, sudah sama. Lalu kita lanjut user the show IP root BGP and show IPv6 root BGP command to view the routing table. Note this in there only one route to earth destination and the route include in the routing table have the same text hop as door with lebih dari simbol in the BGP table. So IP root BGP bikin gateway, Oke, sudah sama. Lalu kita cek yang IP v6 nya. So IP v6 root BGP. Oh, typo di sini. So oke. Oke, sudah sama. Lalu kita masuk ke part 3. Configure and vary BGP path manipulation setting on all router. In part 3, you will configure path manipulation tools for BGP. Their tools are being used here is not meant to represent best parties, but to assist your ability to complete the required configuration. Step 1. Configure ACL best routes filtering. On R1, issue the command show BGP IPv4 unicast I3000 to see what the perfect ASN in this sharing BGP. Kita cek. So BGP IPv4 unicast I300 192.27 300 oke. 130 3.3.3.30. Oke. Lalu kita masuk on R3 configure an access list destination to match the source address and mask of the network di logging to ASN 300. Oke, kita lanjut. On R3 configure access list design to match the source address. Kita masuk ke R3. Exit dulu. IP access list extended allow it to R1. Oke. Lalu permit IP 192.168.3.0 0.0.0.0 255 255 255 224 0.0.0.0 permit IP 92.168.364 255 255 255 192. Enter. Lalu on R3 apply the allow it to R1 ACL as distribute list to the IPv4 network adjacency with R1. Exit. Lalu router BGP 300 address family IPv4 unicast networknya 10.1.3.1 distribute list lalu to R1 out distribute 10.1.3.1.29 distribute list, terus enter. Oke, N. Lalu clear BGP unicast 5600. Perform a reset of IPv4 agency with R1 for the outbound traffic without tearing down the session. Oke. Lalu kita kembali ke R1. Kita cek. So BGP IPv4 unicast I300. Oke, sudah berubah. Dia sudah berkurang, tinggal 192.98. Oke, kita lanjut ke step 2. Configure perfect list based routing filtering. In this lab, you will configure S1 so that is only accept ISN 500 network from R2. So BGP IPv4 unicast begin 192.168.3. Oke, lanjut lalu ke on R1 configure a perfect list designed to match the sort as addressing map of network belonging to ISN. Configure terminal IP prefix list allow wait from R2. Set 5 permit 192.168.2.4/27. Oke, lalu kita masuk router BGP 6500. Address pemilih IPv4 unicast. Networknya 10.1.2.2. Prefix listnya allow from R2 in. Oke, lalu N. Kita cek unicast I500. Oke. Lalu lanjut configure an ASPAT ACL to filter root bank advantage. In this step, you will configure R1 so that is only send ISN 100 network to R2. It will not format information about perfect from any another ISN. On R2, issue the command so BGP IPv4 unicast begin network to see the perfect ISN. Kita masuk R2 and so BGP IPv4 unicast begin network. Oke, 10.1.6.500. Oke. Lalu kita kembali ke R1, configure ASPAT ACL to match the route from the local ASN. Permitnya IP configure terminal dulu. IP ASPAT access list 1 permit Lalu router BGP 6500, address family IP v4 unicast, networknya 10.1.2.2 filter terlist one out and clear BGP IP v4 unicast 500 out, enter. Oke, lalu kita cek IPv4 unicast I 6500. Oke, sudah sama. Lalu step 4, configure IPv6 perfect list based router filtering. Kembali ke R1, kita cek dulu. Oke, lalu di R1 kita masuk configure terminal. On R1, configure IPv6 perfect list designed to match the source address match the network. Lalu second-nya 10. IPv6 perfect list IPv6 allow from R2 second 10 permitnya 2001 DB8 ACID 2001/64 enter. Lalu kita masuk ke root BGP, router BGP 6500, address family IPv6 unicast, networknya kita set enter. Oke, lalu and clear BGP IPv6 unicast 500 in. Oke, kita cek. On R1, issue the command show IPv6 unicast network route to see what IPv6 perfect route-nya. Kita cek. Oke, tinggal 2. Lalu kita masuk step 5, configure BGP part attribute manipulation to effective routing. In this step, you will configure R1 so that is perfect the next hop address of 192.168.3.30 over 192.168.3.3 which would normal be the reference path to ISN 300 network. You will do this by using perfect list to identify the destination network and the user route map to match the perfect list and set the mask network to have a local preference. On R1, issue command show IP route BGP and takes note the next hop address for networknya. Kita cek dulu. So BGP IP v4 unicast 192.168 titik 3 titik 0. Oke, lanjut. On R1, configure a perfect list designed to match the source address marked network belong SN ya. Configure terminal, udah. IP perfect list preferred IP v4 pathnya at second 5 permit 192.168.0/24 Oke, lalu kita masuk create a route map name use this path for IPv4 that match on the perfect list. Kita buat route mapnya, lalu kita samakan match IP address perfect list reference-nya set local preference 250. Lalu next apply the route map to the BGP network 10.1.3.130. Router BGP 6500 address family IPv4 unicast nightboard 10.1.3.130. Route mapnya map user this is from path in. Oke, lalu N clear, kita bersihkan BGP IPv4 unicast 300 in. Oke, lalu cek so IP router root BGP begin gateway 30. Oke, lanjut. So BGP IPv4 unicast begin network. Oke. 3.30 10.130. Oke, sudah berhasil semua. Jadi itu saja untuk praktikum lab implement BGP path manipulation. Sekian dari saya akhiri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.